Hi guys, good to see you again. Thank you for being here. Hope you're all keeping well. This is today's piece. It was my third attempt at creating something that I was happy with. I just didn't like anything that was happening tonight at all. The canvas size is an 8. Sheleeart copper. There you go. I'm just showing it on the back of the spatula. I do show my consistency of the swipe colour later on. I forgot to show you at the start. You'll see me hold it up to the camera part way through. Okay, I'll put some music on and come back to you later.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes, just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as
I'm going to put a close-up video on shortly. I should really have zoomed out for this. My canvas is a bit large to have the camera this close. You can't see the two ends. Sorry about that. Okay, I've finally got one I like. I think it looks like coloured smoke. I like it. Like the copper lacing on the navy background. The cells there, pretty sure that's the interference gold coming through, so that should be really nice once it dries. Yes it is, let's see. And there's a sangria you can see there, and the mango. I love those two colours together, the sangria and the mango, they're really nice. Again, we've got the interference gold there. There's the Mont gold going through there. Oh, that's weird, that black blob in the middle. I think if I try and do anything with it though, I might wreck it, so the way my night's gone, I'm going to leave it. So there's the mango. There's the turquoise with the copper. The copper lace in there. Like it. Okay guys, thanks again for joining me. Please stay safe and I'll see you next time. Bye.